Number 11 here, you're going to describe what type of trapezoid this is, and then you are going to find the length of the mid-segment. Right, so here we have A. Take a look, the left-hand side is congruent to the right-hand side. When that is the case, this is going to be considered a isosceles trapezoid, because again, the legs here are congruent. Trapezoid. Okay. Now we can find the mid-segment. So we know that this mid-segment, so let me just write this as like MN. Okay, so MN is going to be equal to 7 plus 11 divided by 2. It's essentially the average. Okay, if you ever think about the mid-segment as just the average. 7 plus 11, which is going to be 18 divided by 2. So we know that the mid-segment here is going to be equal to 9. So this is equal to 9. This makes sense because the distance from 7 to 9, this is a distance of 2 units. That's also going to be the same distance here from 9 to 11, which is going to be 2 units. That's how you can double check. Right, let's take a look here. Notice that the legs here are up and down. So this is 7 and 3, and these are the legs and these are the bases. The sides are not the same. So for this one, it's going to be just be a regular trapezoid. So we can just say this is just a regular trapezoid. Okay, and then we can find the mid-segment. Again, the mid-segment here, we can use MN. This is just the average. So it's going to be MN is equal to 7 plus 3, okay, divided by 2. That's 10 divided by 2, which is just 5. Okay, let's see if this makes sense. If we put the value of 5, how do we go to 7? This is a distance of 2 units. And as well as from 5 to 3, that is also going to be 2 units. Then let's look at C. Okay, we have 5, 5 here, and let's see if we know what these are. Well, these are the same, but we don't know these measurements, right? And we know that, so we can just say here, this is just a regular trapezoid. Trapezoid. Okay. All right, and let's see if we can find that mid-segment. This mid-segment, again, is right here, the middle. And we could just use the letter MN. And please understand that that is just going to be considered the average. MN is going to be equal to 12 plus 7 divided by 2. 12 plus 7 is 19 divided by 2. Oh, the number is just very done ugly, but it is... I think the value of, what's 19 divided by 2? Let's do the long division here. 9 is 18. Bring down the 0 for the fraction and the 5. So it's 9.5, okay? So here it is 9.5. So the distance between the 9.5 and the 7, it is a unit of 2.5 units, as well as from 9.5 to 12 is also 2.5 units. All right, so that's how you can double check your work. So there you go. That is how you find the mid segment of a trapezoid.